Okay, you just got your Art Noir tattoo towel dispenser, and you're wondering, where do I put it? Luckily, the Art Noir tattoo towel dispenser can be secured in a variety of places: walls, tattoo stations, or mayo trays. This video will cover tattoo station's low position. For a digital version of these instructions, scan the QR code on the last page of the instruction manual. Let's get started. First things first, remove the dispenser from the box and lay all other items on a flat surface. Inside the box, you'll find the dispenser, hardware, instructions, and divider. The hardware is not needed for this installation. The tools you'll need are the bolts, washers, and 5mm Allen wrench that came with your tattoo station. Remove the power supply holder or rinse cup holder. The top two outside holes of the dispenser will line up with the existing station holes. Use the washers and screws that you previously removed to attach the dispenser. Use an Allen wrench to tighten. You have successfully installed the Art Noir tattoo towel dispenser. Now let's load it. Take one of your packages of Art Noir tattoo towels and place it inside the dispenser. Take the green divider and place it on top. Place the second pack of towels on top of the green divider and close. Use your index, middle, and thumb to pinch the towels, pulling down to start the dispenser. You are now ready to tattoo.